Welcome to Sindh, where with the support of the European Union, the German government and the government of Sindh, we're launching comprehensive social protection packages that follow a life cycle approach. One that helps individuals through their most vulnerable moments and helps them build a path towards economic empowerment, climate resilience and digital inclusion.
The work is hard, the pay is low, and we struggle to feed our families properly. Access to healthcare and nutrition is limited.
I am beneficiary of a government program, but I have no idea about formal ways to save. I never knew savings could help in hard times, like during floods or illness.
When it rained, there was no drainage. Water would collect everywhere. We had no toilet or bathing space. We bathed behind cloth sheets in the fields.
Earlier, pregnant women didn't come in even until the 9th month. Many delivered at home, risking their lives.
Many villages lack basic medical facilities or lady doctors. Women often face long, costly journeys to district hospitals, particularly during emergencies like floods, posing grave risks during delivery.
I took a loan to start my business, but inflation and lack of safety nets make it difficult to grow. I want my children to have better education and future.
These voices reveal deep challenges: health infrastructure gaps, economic vulnerability, climate risks, and the urgent need for financial inclusion and resilience building. The ASP pilot is built on these realities. At the recent ASP Steering Committee meeting, the Government of Sindh, the European Union, and the German government recognized these urgent gaps and committed to responding. From strengthening health infrastructure and financial access to integrating climate resilience, partners pledge to act on what women know best, what works, and what must change. This is how social protection becomes real, not just as policy, but as everyday support in the lives of the most vulnerable.
So we are looking at ways to support the work of the Mamta program that's being implemented through the Sindh Social Protection Authority to make the services more accessible for the women and children who benefit from this program. And we're particularly looking at giving more access to digital financial literacy and also saving schemes to make sure that they have better income security. I think what I have learned today is that just sitting here for a few minutes and remembering how it was when I was pregnant, I really admire the women for coming here and waiting here in this heat. But I also am very happy to see that there has been an increased uptake for the Mamta program in the last 3 months, which is very impressive to see that so much more women come and seek healthy behavior and get the support they need provided by the Mamta program. And looking at what could maybe be improved, I think it would be really also important to provide these women some more shade and water, but also to make sure that the women who are currently not coming yet getting the services to them. So that I think is something that we will next explore.
I think at the time of designing any program, it's important to meet people, to understand their needs, their requirement. Without understanding their requirement, you cannot design effective program and intervention. So we are here to meet people, to understand their needs, their requirement, so that we can plan something which could be effective for this community, for the people here in the long run.
Through the ASP pilot, women will be gaining tools to improve health, earn and save income, and build resilience to shocks, a crucial step toward economic empowerment. Social protection is not charity, it's justice. And justice begins by listening. These women know what they need. Our job is to support systems that make it possible.
When we combine our strengths, we do more than deliver services. We co-create solutions. Together, we are building a social protection package that works across the life cycle of an individual, across sectors and across communities. And it all starts with people, their knowledge, their resilience, and their power to shape their future.